Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap New Glasgow, local and long distance movers near me. If you're seeking a dependable and cheap New Glasgow moving company, 3 Movers is the right option for you. We specialize in local and long distance moving services you can count on. Get the best moving services with our long distance movers by choosing from the following: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Since our team has plenty of experience with relocating homes and businesses 100 miles or further, you can trust us to help you. We know how to alleviate all that stress that you're feeling during the move. Are you looking for a Canada moving company to make your local move easier? With the right movers, you save time and energy. Plus, if you hire good movers, you won't have to do any heavy lifting. 3 Movers takes over all the heavy lifting for you. We work hard, so you don't have to when you move locally. Our team can take on even the largest local move and get it done in less than a day, often in hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our New Glasgow moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.